Hello, let me show you some tips and tricks for the camera on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So unfortunately there are not so many features that we have available on this device, but there is something that you probably want to remember about while using the camera. First and foremost, you need to remember that we can switch from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels camera in the photo mode. So once you are in the photo mode, take a look over here in the top right corner, and if you want to use the higher megapixel lenses, then you want to tap on this number in order to switch to 50. By doing so, our photos should have higher resolution, and of course keep in mind that the 3:4 aspect ratio provides the highest resolution of photos as well. Another thing that I want to mention is actually in more, and that is the hyperlapse or time-lapse. And if you open it over here in the top right corner, you might see auto. You can tap over here in order to switch the speed of the time lapse. So during the day, you probably want to use one of these values on the right side. These are for the daytime, and you can, for instance, use times 60 speed. And once you select the speed, you will see a tip. What is the example use of this kind of speed? However, on the left side of the auto, we have two more values, times 15 and times 45, and these are for the night. So if you actually want to record a time lapse at night, then you probably want to use one of these two options. Alright, so now once that we have covered, I want to show you one more thing. And we're gonna go to the settings. So over here in the top left corner, we can tap on this gear icon in order to open the camera settings. And you can actually scan QR codes by using the camera, so you don't have to search for any QR code scanner or anything like that. As long as this option is enabled, you can use the QR code in the camera. You just need to simply point the QR code or point the camera towards the QR code in order to see the link, and then you can, for instance, open the detected link in the browser. Another thing in the camera settings is over here. If you go to shooting methods, you can enable and disable the show palm option, which allows you to take selfies with just raising a hand. And let me quickly demonstrate how it looks like. Let's go to the photo mode and let's switch to the front camera. If you show your palm on the screen, sorry for recovering, I just want to trigger the countdown. There we go. As you can see, this is how we can take a selfie with using our hand. So once we show the palm, we can quickly take a photo without using the shutter button. And last but not least, let's go back to the same settings. Let's go to shooting methods. Over here you have the option that is called press volume buttons too. And of course we can use volume buttons, so volume up and volume down over here on the right side, to take a picture or record a video. But I think a more convenient way of utilizing these two buttons is to set it to zoom in and out. So now you can zoom in and zoom out in the camera by using the volume buttons, so you don't have to use this gesture on your screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!